Welcome. In front of me is GoPro, still packed, so I'm not even sure which one it is. Just yank it out of here. So this is the GoPro HERO Black Mini. Okay, I'll just pop it open. Now it looks like there's no display on here, and I believe you need to use probably a phone connected through Bluetooth to get any kind of image. And now concept of a smaller GoPro is cool, but this isn't that much smaller, maybe by like that much. So they didn't cut off too much from here, but you do lose a screen on here. So that's a little bit of a massive drawback, considering there are other small form factor like action cameras like this, which do come with a screen. There's a possibility that could be right here. Oh, look at that, we actually do have a screen, though let's be honest, this is just like info display. Not much will fit on here in terms of image. So yeah, just a little bit underwhelming, considering there are smaller ones that come with a display. Let's see what we're dealing here with. So just a little bit of specs. 24.7 megapixels video frame grab, 5.3K resolution at 60 frames, 4K at 120, 2.7K at 240. They have like some weird ways. Like, okay, 4K cool, 5.3. Just put an actual resolution out at this point. Waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters depth. That's nice. Voice control, okay. Slow motion, 8 times. Time warp, not exactly sure what that is. 1080p live streaming. That actually would be a nice feature. Although this could be streaming to your phone, considering I believe this requires a phone to actually just like see what you're doing. So if you're getting image onto your phone, obviously you're gonna be getting a stream to it. So I don't whatever. Anyway, dual mounting fingers. What? Not fingers, whatever. One button simplicity. We have 2 buttons though. We have one here and one here. I guess they can't count. Optimized for helmet. Cool. I mean, you'd expect it comes with a mount. We have some GP2 processor and Maxland mode ready. Not exactly sure what that is either. So yeah, anyway, that's basically it. It's a action camera that's just a little bit smaller than the non-mini and loses the display while still being bigger and a little bit bulkier than other action cameras that actually have a display. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.